Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jewel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video. It has been a minute, child, and I am just jumping straight back in. I told y'all I could not stay away from this Starbucks drink. This is not sponsored. I have been stuck on this matcha, y'all. It is a pink drink with extra matcha cold foam, and really I stopped even getting the strawberry inclusions because it already comes with it, and it's still a hit. It's a hit every time. For this portion of the video, we're just gonna relax and vibe out, listen to some music, and we're just gonna eat and drink our Starbucks. And we'll just catch up and, you know, talk about everything in a later part of the video. So enjoy.
I got on Javinci, Chanel and Margiela. Come on, y'all. We look right. Hey, but you gotta be smart about it. Son of what? Yeah, with the guys. I sacrificed because I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, I love you. You are my girl. You see, I thought I would love you.
I needed that.
That's how that song's supposed to be.
Get the fuck up out of here now.
We are at Five Below, and they are speeding like they done lost their mind. I think they do though. I was talking about this too though. I ran out of face primer and I ran out of setting spray, and I don't see the concealer shade that I need in here, so I have to go to the hair store, but still getting a deal. Sorry. That was successful. I really wish I could find my concealer though, because I'm so low on it, but it's okay. Because when I go for that, I have to go get my setting powder too, so I'll just do that all in one trip. Alright, so hey y'all, so it is a completely different day, and I am working right now. But before I do clock back into work, I wanted to show y'all, because I did end up getting the concealer that I was looking, well, I can't even say I was looking for a specific one. Of course I was looking for one in my color. So of course I was looking for one in my color, obviously, but I didn't have a specific brand or anything, because the last one that I had that ran out, well, I'm just going to show y'all all the new makeup products that I got. Oh, I don't see. Oh, okay. So the last concealer that I was using was the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the color Cafe. I usually use the concealer under my eyes and under my eyebrows, and I use the same shade. I know a lot of people use two different concealers. I don't, but yeah. So this is the one that I was using before, and as you guys can see, it is kind of cleared out, child. You can kind of see through it, so I needed some more. But the one that I decided to go with is the ELF Hydrating Camo Concealer. I don't know if this is new, because as I was looking it up, I started seeing reviews from like 5 years ago. But I don't know if maybe they have a new formula, but they've been putting this out front a lot. And I mean everywhere. Target, Walmart, Sephora, Ulta, everywhere. So I wanted to try it, and this is in the color Deep Chestnut, and I really actually like this one. I was gonna try Deep Olive, but I kind of like the way that this one came out, and I did use it today. But I also went outside, so if I'm a little bit oily, I'm sorry. It's hot outside. Boo. Ciao. One thing about me though, when I do buy my makeup, I'm not really specific. I have to get my makeup from Sephora. I have to get my makeup from Ulta. I have to get my makeup from MAC. I've never even had a MAC product. Will I be willing to work my way up? Absolutely. Absolutely. But in the meantime, I'm not afraid to use drugstore brands. And I buy my makeup from CVS, Walgreens, Dollar General, Family Dollar, Five Below. But honestly, it's only if it's a brand that I've kind of known, if it's a low-end store like that, and that's like LA Girl or Wet n Wild, because you can't go wrong with them. So that is the concealer that I got, and again, that's in the color Deep Chestnut. And then I got the LA Girl H2O Lock Hydrating Gel Primer, and this was my first time using this today. I actually really like it. It's not too oily, and we'll see in a couple hours. I'll give y'all an update on it, but I really do like this, and I like the consistency of it too. The setting spray that I got is actually really strong and high powered. I was using maybe I had a Wet n Wild one before. I don't know. I have it in my old YouTube videos, or if you look back where I was doing my makeup. But anyway, this one, the spray is pretty strong, but I really like it, and it actually does last. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. And as you guys saw in the other half of this video, other part of this video, both of these came from Five Below, and then this one I got from Target. So yeah, if you guys want what's in my makeup bag video, let me know. I do have to get some more makeup brushes eventually, but yeah. Every now and then I wear lashes, every now and then. I feel like it at this point kind of goes for the occasion, because I like how my natural lashes look. Yeah, I have to go back to work. It is 3:59, so I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get off. Y'all are probably looking like, what kind of ratchet shit? It's not ratchet. But it is the end of the day. I am off of work, and I went and did DoorDash for a little bit. If you guys don't know, I also do DoorDash. I think I told you guys that in another video. That's one of my side incomes, because if the money is available, why not go get it? You know what I'm saying? Please ignore. I don't know if y'all can see all that. My son has a bounce house in his room right now. It's a lot going on in this house. Him and my girlfriend are out right now, and they're walking the dog. So I figured I'd go ahead and end the vlog, or in the vlog, add to the vlog, do whatever we're gonna do for the vlog while it was quiet in here. I'm about to actually go ahead and start winding down for the night. Take this makeup off my face, because I am shining, child. I am shining. If you guys have a mixture of dry and oily skin, please let me know, because I feel like I have a mixture. For people to be able to determine and say they have one or the other, I definitely have both. But I want to learn how to work around it. Because you know how people can do like the no flashback makeup? I can do that. Well, I guess I got to get the right setting powder. I don't know. I do know though that I am trying to finish this vlog, because it makes no sense, y'all. I told y'all I had like 3 vlogs lined up. This is the 3rd one. I have 2 other vlogs that I started but I didn't finish, so I probably need to finish those. But in case I don't finish it, to give y'all kind of a gist, we hit 3,000 subscribers. We hit 3,000 subscribers, and I appreciate every last one of y'all that watches my channel. We are growing, child, and the family is just getting bigger and bigger. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because you can't hate from outside of the club, but you can get in. I am going to try to make it an early night. I'm really working on fixing my sleep schedule, y'all. I'm working on becoming a real woman. And by that, I mean having everything in order. Like, I know everything's not gonna always be able to be in order, but I do feel like now, if y'all didn't know, my birthday was last Monday, so I am no longer even in my mid-20s. I mean, I guess I'm in my mid-20s. Does it count as my mid, or is it my late now? I don't know, but your girl is getting grown. Your girl is getting grown. And there's just things that I want to have in order. I think my frontal lobe has finished officially finished developing, and I can tell the difference. You know how you wake up on your birthday and people be like, so, how do you feel? Now I feel the difference. Now I feel the difference. I get it. This is the time where you feel the difference when you hit another age. Physically, emotionally, adultingly, humanly. But yeah, also with that though, that means that we have a lot more content, because that means that we have shit to get together. Now I see it. So I'm about to wind down. I'm gonna go ahead and get Tristan in his bath. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. We're about to eat dinner in a little bit, and yeah. So if I don't finish this vlog off, then I do want to go ahead and say thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning into this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's kind of fun. I am editing it as long as I'm going, so it's been fun editing it, and I hope it's been fun watching for y'all. Like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the post notification bell so you can get a notification on the next upload, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Also, if you have any video requests or anything that you would like to see, go ahead and drop that down below in the comments, and also feel free to post on my community tab and let me know. Yeah, and I'll see you guys when it's time to go get in the shower. I feel much better. Alright, so I'm fresh out the shower now and about to officially wind down. I did not take my makeup off yet, so I'm going to take it off before I go to bed. But this is going to be the end of the vlog. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video, period. Ciao. And I love you guys so much.